Welcome to our full guide on how to allow everyone to see a post on Facebook after it's been posted. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile where your posts are displayed. Step 3. Locate the post you want to make visible to everyone and tap on the 3 dots at the right corner of the post. Step 4. From the options that appear, tap on Edit Privacy to adjust the visibility settings of the post. Step 5. In the privacy settings, select Public to allow everyone, including those who are not your friends, to see the post. Step 6. Once you have selected Public, tap on Done to save the changes and make the post visible to a wider audience. By following these steps, you can easily adjust the privacy settings of your Facebook post to ensure that it is viewable by everyone on the platform. Thank you for joining us. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to allow everyone to see a post on Facebook after it's been posted. Enhance your Facebook experience by customizing the privacy settings of your posts to reach a broader audience and share your content with a wider circle of friends and users. Enjoy connecting and engaging with others through your public posts on Facebook.